All right, I need everyone to see the fall decor at Dollar Tree this year because a lot of it does not look like dollar store. I'm gonna grab everything that looks expensive and skipping everything that doesn't. So let's get shopping. Starting with the classics, these speckled country look pumpkins are a must grab every single year. I've used them in tablescapes and centerpieces so many times and that shape is just so good. Right next to them, I'm loving these burlap pumpkins. The texture on these is what sells them. Texture is what makes cheap decor look expensive and this is a perfect example of that. Now let's hit the $5 section, which is relatively new here in Dollar Trees in Canada because this is where it gets interesting. The white pumpkin bowl with the lid, this is adorable. I think this is going to look so cute on my counter with some candy in it. The orange pumpkin with the vents, I'm thinking this would be great with a faux candle inside, and then you've got a glowing pumpkin for hardly any money at all. These LED leaf lights are actually so pretty. I did not expect them to look this good here at Dollar Tree. You could string them up as a little garland and it's going to make your home look so cozy. The stacked pumpkins here are a cute concept. I just wish the colors weren't so bright. That's the one thing keeping this from feeling high end. And this pumpkin floral arrangement, I really love the sunflower in this one. It's ready to use straight out of the package, so no assembly required. If you need a quick centerpiece, this is a great option. These little fairy garden sculptures are actually really cute. They're perfect for a little fall fairy garden or even tucked under a cloche for a cute vignette. All right, the florals here at Dollar Tree are actually really good. These soft beige fall leaves, I've used these before and they're one of my favorites. All of the burgundy tones here are really gorgeous together. I love the faux berry stems. They're having a moment this year. I have seen them everywhere in wreaths like Pottery Barn's wreaths and arrangements, and Dollar Tree's versions actually look really close. The faux pampas grass is great for texture, especially if you're going for a little bit of a boho look, and don't skip the craft section in Dollar Tree. These dried florals are perfect for fall projects too. This fall leaf mug is so cute. I love the colors and so is this matching drying mat. I'm gonna be honest, the gather plates are a little dated. They feel just like straight out of 2017, but I do love the fall leaf plates. Layer a contrasting plate on top and they instantly are gonna look really high end. The fall leaf placemats are great too, and here's a tip. You could stuff them with fiberfill and you've got yourself a simple little fall cushion. Dollar Tree brought back the pumpkin shaped glass jars again this year. This clear one with the copper lid and then this orange one with the orange lid. I'm still working out the perfect craft for these, but I already know that they're gonna come home with me. So stay tuned to my main channel, Cozy DIY Home, to see what I DIY with these. These mini pumpkin containers are adorable. My daughter grabbed one of these and I love the acorn containers with lids. So many options for gifting or organizing. This set of 3 mini knit texture pumpkins is perfect for tucking into a wreath or scattering on a tablescape. And I love these burlap leaf napkin rings. They're a great little detail for a fall table. These iridescent pumpkin cups with lids and straws are super fun. They'd be great for a fall party or just for a treat for the kids. And this divided pumpkin tray is perfect for serving up snacks this season. I really like these velvet mushrooms and mini pumpkins. They're exactly what you would need for filling out a wreath or dressing up a place setting. And I cannot leave the store without showing you this ribbon. I'm really liking their wired ribbon selection this year. I think it's so good. I love the colors they chose for their plaid ribbons, and the burnt orange is exactly what I want on my wreaths this fall. Seriously, for under $2 an item, this is some of the best fall decor Dollar Tree has put out. Let me know in the comments which one you're grabbing first. Make sure you're following my main channel, Cozy DIY Home, for all of the DIYs I'm making with Dollar Tree fall selections this year, and I'll see you in the next video.